Mama Jenny here from Mama Jenny's Mexican Journey, and we are at the Rio Palace in Nueva Vallarta, or Riviera Nayarit, which is how they've renamed it. And we want to invite you to come along with us. It's now adults only. It's fabulous, and you should come along with me and see this wonderful place. Let's go. They have done a total gut remodel of this hotel. They've moved things around. This roof decor has remained the same. Many things have changed. They welcomed us with champagne, and I'm happy about that. The cappuccino bar is open and it's in the lobby. The daiquiri bar is one of my favorite places. It starts the day out right, and I'm very happy for that. Viva! We're going to do a room tour because certain things have changed, and all for the better. Let's go.
Hello, Jenny. All right, very good. So, okay, if you need something from here in the room, you have to call number 9. Okay, it's very, very important point. Okay. The other one is about the restaurants. About the restaurants, you don't need a reservation, guys, and it's only all the restaurant is already included for you guys, okay, and they open by 6 o'clock to 9:30 p.m. except one. Which one is La Toscana. La Toscana restaurant is an Italiano restaurant, okay, they open by 5 o'clock to 9:30 p.m. We have the buffet restaurant. You don't need a reservation too, okay, and they open by 6:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. We have the sports bar. The sports bar, you can drink everything there, not a problem, okay? And just for take your dinner and everything right there, okay, is before 10:30 p.m. Past to 10:30 p.m. is only snacks and drinks and everything. Okay, guys? Very good. Okay, that's it.
So this is our room. It is very nice. The view is partial sea view. So we see the road and all of that, and then a little bit of the beach. We will share that with you. Check back in soon, YouTube, for more exciting views of the Rio Palace Pacifico in Nueva Vallarta, Riviera Nayarit, Mexico. Our next video will be on the entertainment at the Rio Palace in Nueva Vallarta. Check in real soon. Bye.